Hi loves. Okay, so today we're going to make something really easy. It's cloud soaps. They look intimidating, but they really aren't. They're very easy to make, especially with melt and pour. They're not so intimidating as the cold process soaps, because those are really more advanced. But the melt and pour is really easy, especially the cloud soap. It looks magical. It looks like you're having a piece of sky in your hand. So yeah, let's make this together step by step. I will tell you every step of the way what you have to do. It's really easy, so let's get started. we have it. A little piece of sky in the soap bar. It's absolutely legendary, mystical, dreamy. You can get it for yourself or for others. You can make it on a rainy Sunday, maybe a cloudy Sunday. And you can especially make this for the holidays and stuff. It's very easy, you don't have to wait that long. Cure it or anything like with cold processed soap. So it's really a last minute gift to make. But yeah, that's it. If you want to follow more of these whimsical and dreamy DIYs, I post every Friday, so you can follow me on here or all my other social media channels. I have them all down below. So yeah, like, subscribe and follow me for more. Bye!